Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you about the shipping related accident and day to day business carried out in maritime industry. So stay tuned for this knowledge of an accident happened at Java Sea. And news goes as the general cargo ship sank in the Java Sea, 14 crew known to be safe. General cargo ship KMEL number 2 with 14 crew was reported as missing on January 11 in Belitung Island water, Indonesia, Java Sea. The ship loaded with cement and construction material was en route from Jakarta to Pontianak, Western Kalimantan. The ship sank on January 12 after developing less due to cargo shift being caught in rough seas, judging from the footage resting on bottom or more or less even keel. All 14 crew rescued and were found safe. That's all for this information. Stay tuned with other updates regarding shipping accident. Thank you and comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.